have an extra special treat for the chickens. Had some tacos last night. I got a bunch of leftover cilantro from our homemade pico. Let's go see who wants to eat it. Yeah, who wants a treat? Lucky. Lucky. Pluck, pluck, pluck. Apple. Let Lucky have some. Let your sister have some. April, you getting in on this? Get in on that? April's not impressed. Well, we're all gonna go over the compost pile. February, huh? There we go. That's okay, we can fix that in post. So hey guys, we're going to start something new this week. Some of you really love our chickens and kind of live vicariously through us since you can't have chickens where you are. So we've started a thing where we're going to open a coffee, but you're not actually going to buy us coffee. You're going to, if you would like to donate, purchase some mealworms to feed the chickens. And we'll do a shout out for you if you're one of the people who donates a coffee to get some mealworms for the chickadees. We're going to feed them right now, and you get to watch. that's all for this video. Thanks for joining our family here on the farm. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and help our channel grow by subscribing. If you would like to receive notifications, hit that bell icon and you will get an update on your device whenever we post a new video. And make sure to check out our links in the description box below for our Patreon, Facebook page, and now our Ko-fi page. Thanks so much for watching. You have a blessed evening.